Okay students, so let's start with the examples. Some solved examples they have given in our textbook. We will see them one by one. The first is example 1. We'll first read down the question. The area of the bottom of the tiffin box is 0.25 meter square and weight is 50 Newton. Calculate the pressure exerted by the box on the shelf. See, this is the first example we are going to solve. Okay. Now, solution is given. Here, what is given over here? Area is 0.25 meter square. Weight of the box is 50 N, that is 50 Newton. And we are going to remove the pressure. What is pressure? For that we are going to use the formula of pressure. Pressure is equal to force upon area. Okay students. Now what is the force given over here? The force, that is the weight of the box is, force means what? The weight of the box, that is 50 Newton. So we will write over here 50 Newton upon area. What is the area given over here? 0.25 meter square. So this area 0.25 meter square. So our formula, according to the formula, we will write as 50 Newton upon 0.25 meter square. Now we will divide it. 25 ones are 25 and 25 twos are 50. So it will come 2n upon 0.1 meter square. Now we have to convert them meter square into nm square. Okay. So that is why 0.1 m square, this 0.1 m square is equal to 100 m, that is 100 meter. So therefore 2 multiplied by 100, this 2 comes from here. Okay. So 2 multiplied by this 100. Okay. So we will get 200 nm square. This is the answer. Got it students? Look at again. Okay. So this is our example number 1. So now let us see example number 2. Calculate the relative density of iron if the density of water is 10 raised to 3 kg / m3 and the density of iron is 7.85 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 kg / m3. So this is the second example. What is given over here? The density of water. What is the density of water given? 10 kg / m thrice. Density of iron is 7.85 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 kg / m thrice. And what we are going to find out? Relative density of iron. This we are going to find out. So now for the solution we will take the formula of relative density of iron. What is the relative density of iron formula? Relative density of iron is equal to density of iron upon density of water. So what is density of iron over here? Density of iron is 7.85 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 kg / m thrice. So 7.85 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 kg / m thrice upon density of water. What is density of water given? 10 raised to 3 kg / m thrice. Okay. Now here we will write like that, and then you can see over here 10 raised to 3 kg and 10 raised to 3 kg m thrice. This is the common one. So we'll cut that too. And then what is remain? 7.85. This is remain. So this will be our answer. Relative density of iron is 7.85. Got it students? 1C. Okay. So let us start example number 3. The area of the tip of a screw is 0.5 mm square and its weight is 0.5 N, that is Newton. Calculate the pressure in Pascal exerted by the screw on a wooden plank. So what we are going to we are going to calculate the pressure. That pressure should be in Pascal, exerted by the screw on a wooden plank. What is given over here? Area is given 0.5 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 6 m square. Weight of the screw is 0.5 n, that is 0.5 Newton, and we are going to find out the pressure. What is the solution? See, pressure is equal to weight upon area. This formula we are going to use. Pressure is equal to weight upon area. What is the weight given? Weight of the screw is 0.5 n. So we'll write here 0.5 n. Then what is the area? 0.5 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 6 m square. So that we will write. Now here 0.5 and 0.5, these are the common things. So we will cut 0.5 and 0.5. So what is remain now? 10 raised to minus 6 m square. And here 1. Nothing is there. That is why we will say that here 1 is there. 1 Newton or like that. Okay. So now this will come down as 10 raised to 6. Now this minus 6 will become 6 because we are going to multiply 1 and this 10 raised to minus 6. So it will become plus 6. So 10 raised to 6 n. This n will come over here slash m square. This m square will come over here. So the answer will be 10 raised to 6 n slash m square. And now we want the answer in Pascal. We have to calculate the answer in Pascal. So this will become 10 raised to 6 Pascal. So this nm square will be converted into 10 raised to 6 PA, that is Pascal. So this is the answer. That is the pressure exerted by the screw on a wooden plank is 10 raised to 6 Pascal. Got it, students? You can take a screenshot also. Okay. Example number 4. Mass of a block of metal is 10 kg and its dimensions are length 50 cm, breadth 10 cm, height 20 cm. If the metal block is placed on the following surface on the table, find out on which of the surface ABCD, CDEF and BCFG will the pressure exerted on the table be maximum. This we are going to find out. This is the figure they have given. You can see over here ABCD surface, ABCD, BCFG and CDEF. These are the three dimensions or three surface they have given, and which surface area is exerted more pressure, that we are going to find out. Let us see first for the surface area ABCD. Length is given 50 cm, height is 20 cm. Area, now we'll first find out the area of that surface. Area is 50 cm multiplied by 20 cm. So we get the area 1000 cm square. We will convert it into meter square. So that will become 0.1 meter square. Okay. Now to find out pressure, we will take the formula of pressure. Pressure is equal to weight upon area. That is, the weight is 98. As we have seen before, the weight is 98 n and the pressure area is 0.1 that we have removed over here in the meter square. Okay, so 98 and 0.1. So now the answer is 980 Pascal. How it came 980 Pascal? It is very easy calculation, students. Now here 98 and this is 0.1 meter square. Okay, when if we want to convert it into Pascal, then we just have to calculate it as 98 multiplied by 100. This 0.1 will become 100. So that is 980. So that will become 980 Pascal. Okay. Now the second is for the surface CDEF. Length is 50 cm, breadth is 10 cm. Area, we'll find out area first. 50 cm multiplied by 10 cm, that will come 500 cm square. Okay, that is been converted into meter square, so it is coming 0.05 meter square. Now pressure is equal to weight upon area. Weight is 98, area here is 0.05 m square. Okay, now again that will be converted into Pascal. So to convert it into Pascal, we'll apply the formula. Now here 0.05, so that will become this 0.0, this 20 will go up for the conversion. So 98 will multiply by again 100 as we have done over here. So it will become here it will be 10 and here it will be 100. So 9800. Okay, so that is 9800 divided by 5. This 5 will come over here. So that is 1960 Pascal. The answer will come 1960 Pascal. Okay, so this is the pressure from surface area CDEF. Now for the surface BCFG, okay, height is 20 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. Now area is equal to 20 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter, so that will become 200 centimeter square. So the conversion of centimeter square into meter square, so 200 will become 0.02 meter square. Pressure is equal to weight upon area. Weight is 98 N, that is Newton, divided by 0.02 m square, that is the area. So again 98 multiply by 100, so that is 9800. 9800 divided by this 2 will come over here, so that will become 4900 Pascal. It is also very easy calculation. You just divide 9800 by 2. See, 2 4s are 8, 9 minus 8 1, 18, 2 9s are 18, 0 0. Now this 2 zeros will come over here. Okay, so that will become 4900 Pascal. Got it, students? So now here we have got all the three surface area pressure: ABCD 980 Pascal, CDEF 1960 Pascal, and area surface BCFG is 4900 Pascal. So maximum pressure will be exerted by area BCFG. As you have seen the calculation, the maximum pressure is been exerted by the area BCFG, that is 4900 Pascal. Hence from these all the calculations we come to know that, or we can find out that the smaller the area of the contact, larger is the pressure. Whenever there is a smaller area of contact, the larger will be the pressure. Okay, students? Okay, now example number 5. This is the last example. The piece of marble tile weigh 100 gram in air. If its density is 2.5 gram per cc, what will be its weight in water? Given, what is given over here? Weight in air is 100 gram. Density is given 2.5 gram per cc. Cc means cubic centimeter. What is the full form of cc? That is cubic centimeter. So density is 2.5 gram per cubic centimeter. Therefore, volume is equal to 100 gram, that is weight upon density 2.5 gram per cc. So that will become 40 cc, 40 cubic centimeter. Therefore, according to Archimedes' principle, when the piece is dipped in water, water of volume equal to the volume of the piece. See, when a piece is dipped into the water of the volume is equal to the volume of that piece, that is 40 cc, will be displaced. The loss in the weight of the piece will be equal to the weight of the displaced water, that is 40 gram. And that is why weight in water is equal to 100 gram minus 40 gram. See, we will minus it from the original weight, that is 100 gram minus 40 gram. So what is the weight in the air? That is 60 gram. Okay, understood everyone? Okay.